Hi and welcome back to Darvanalee Designs Studio. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed and today I'm going to show you the storage solutions that I have for all my diamond painting drill pieces and what I do with them after I finish a diamond painting. So let's get started. Basically what happens is if I order a diamond painting and it comes in and I'm ready to start that, I sit down and take a time to basically just kit it up like I would do a cross stitch, or if I was doing a block of the month, I would get all my fabrics together. If I was doing a cross stitch, I'd get all my flosses together, my fabric together, and put it all in a bag ready to go. So I do exactly the same thing with my diamond painting as well. So this one has come in, basically all the drills come in their little plastic baggies, and then what I do is I write all the corresponding numbers down and then I put them in order, so 1 through to 15, let's say. So I have all those numbers written down on top of those, and this is just with a marker and a little bit of nail polish remover just takes that off at the end of it so I can reuse them. Some people have also asked me what I actually use to store them in. I just use these little lip balm containers. They've got a screw lid, so I know that the lid can't pop off accidentally. And then some kits come like this particular one. You can see there's a lot of cream in the background. It came with extra drills that didn't fit into these little containers, so then I store them in these big containers. So, and they're just like a little film case, and they've got a little snap-on lid, so that makes it nice and easy. I write the corresponding number on there, and I've got my little guide on the side of my diamond painting. This one didn't actually come with the paper, so I've got my little guide there. Of course, you always end up with leftover drills as well, so this is my 310 and I store them in that as well. So I've got a ton of these, and I've got like little test tube ones and all the rest of it for when I've only got a couple of the drills. And then I just have containers like these that they all sit in. So these are all my empty ones. This is basically my tray that sits with my diamond painting, so all my drills stay in there. I've got my tray in there, and I've also got my applicator. I've got a few different applicators, just a basic one. And then all my leftover ones that I'm not using will just sit in here. As you can see, they get stored in here. And then, as I said, I've got a ton of these ones for leftover beads or drills. So that's how I kit up my stuff. So you can see here, this particular one is ready to go. This is the next one that I'm going to be doing. So you can see there, I've got the paper that comes with it. It's got a lot of beautiful colors. This is actually taking 2 trays to store it. So you can see there, I've written what they are, and the corresponding letters if they've got letters or anything like that. So all the information that's on the diamond painting gets transferred to those containers, and then these two stay together. And when I'm ready to start that diamond painting, which as soon as I finish this one, this is the next one that I'm doing, I can just pull that kit out. I can disperse of all the leftover beads from this one, or drills, depending what you call them, and then I can put them away for a later date. And I keep them labeled too, because sometimes you run out of drills, and then you can go back to your stash and you can have a look and you can match them up. So my daughter did a black cat and a penguin, and these were all the leftover ones in the 310. So we just write on there, and we know that anything that we're doing, she's doing a lot of dark ones, so that's why we've still got them out. So she's got another cat one that she's doing, and I think she's also doing a Harry Potter one as well. So they were all the leftover ones. We've got them there, so if she's short any, we've got plenty there. So that is basically how I kit up for a diamond painting. I can just grab it all, sit down. I also have a light box that goes under. It was actually a light sheet. Tattoo artists use it for tracing out and stuff like that. It just slides under, and my diamond painting sits on top, and that helps with seeing where I've got to place the beads or drills. And I also have an overhead light as well. So I really hope that you got something out of this little short video today about how I kit up and store my drills, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. So I hope you got something out of how to store your drills. You can find most of this stuff at dollar shops, so places like Okay, so I really hope that you enjoyed this little video today on how to kit up for your diamond painting and the storage solutions for when you're working. Like, this has been a work in progress for quite a number of months. I mainly do diamond painting in summer because the sun sets later and I sit up a little bit later than I normally do, and I get a little bit of diamond painting when the kids aren't around because it's not a craft I can do with the 3-year-old around, so I have to wait till they're all in bed. So and the weather's warmer and I can sit out on the veranda and I can just go for it. So basically that's pretty much what I do, and I hope that you enjoyed this little video and you got something on how to set up kit up and set up your storage facility for your drills, and I will see you all again next time. Bye for now. Well, thank you very much for joining me today. I really do hope that you enjoyed this little video on what I do with all my drills for my diamond painting. It is a quick and simple, easy way to set everything up, and I'm sure that you'll be able to find some sort of storage solution at any of your dollar shops, or even some of your supermarkets and stuff like that have storage solutions. So if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. And for those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Designs Studio, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.